This right here, that next level. This right here, the best ever. Dream junkies in a rest of sleep. Why would I waste my breath ever? This right here, that okie doke. Vengeance is mine, says the Lord of hosts. Like when Jackson the Suns watched Opie go. Oh, when did he punch Drizzy? No OVO. And they wonder why I'm so bold. For they even move to end up in a chokehold. For they know it, I'ma hit him with the stone cold. It's all asking what you don't know. Don't you want, don't want you to be on. In the street shady, you feel like a peon. So we do it ourselves without any help while it's fire. And that is what we have been on. Put ourselves on, independent, no corporations that are all up in it. No stockholders on my shoulders. Blind guides asking me if I'm focused. No, we ain't even talking about skill, pound for pound. We kill any rapper at will, but you knew that already. You really get ready to see this machete make you a spaghetti. I'm gone.
Pack it light, whoa, pack it light like for the party. I'm gon' rock and rock. Mardi Gras and hot tamale, call the cops. What for? I've been on that Antioch and people watch. And I got my native tongue and speak a box. They ain't got no idea. They ain't got no way, Jose. They don't know why I'm here. He said go, I said okay.
This right here, that lullaby. Go ahead, take that butt to sleep. Go ahead, take that diamond tap, put your pajamas on, and I hope you dream. I'm tutored by Freddy Krueger, I'm neutered by no one ever. So you know I let them hang low, so they hang out with my ankles. I could give a damn about a blog post or a comment, I'm a comet. They tell me swallow my pride, but I can't, cause I vomit. Nowadays I'm on the west side, that's a Bible study from a mosh pit. That's Baltimore, 3,000 miles, that's a dubstep and a long trip. Lightweight, I'm tipsy off one sip, drunk and hated, a junkie made it. My life be looking like Ned Flanders, but all my bars be R-rated. Not all, but barely, maybe just the majority. I'm the black sheep and the minority, so when you count and cheat, you're gonna notice me. Come on.
Pack it light, whoa, pack it light like for the party. I'm gon' rock and rock. Mardi Gras and hot tamale, call the cops. What for? I've been on that Antioch and people watch. And I got my native tongue and speak a box. They ain't got no idea. They ain't got no way, Jose. They don't know why I'm here. He said go, I said okay.
This right here, that lucid. This might make you lucid. This right here, that Scarface. You wanna go to war, you better choose, Skip. This right here, that Trump card. This right here, that Happy Meal. If Donald doubled up on patty cakes, then now have it, eat it, and then poop it. I'm a pioneer for this drink. I'm the pioneer in this thing. I'm a violent savage with the rite of passage on the main line when I sing. Tell the drummer boy play the drum. Tell the drummer boy play the drum. We the Humpty to all of your dummies, the bombs. Killing these rappers is fun. We not new rappers, we sons. Brothers, we bleed. Maybe we give it back when we done. Nah, we ain't gon' never be done. Level to level to level to level. We the drink turkeys and numbers so rebel. I'm ready for anything, killing with pebbles.
Pack it light, whoa, pack it light like for the party. I'm gon' rock and rock. Mardi Gras and hot tamale, call the cops. What for? I've been on that Antioch and people watch. And I got my native tongue and speak a box. They ain't got no idea.